Have you ever found yourself doing detective work in Google Sheets, muttering to yourself, "I think this cell had something different in it yesterday"? Yeah, me too. In this video, I will show you one way you can put on your Sherlock Holmes hat to find an inadvertent or intentional change in a Google Sheets cell. Hi, Gabriela Laszlo here from KloudGem. You're looking at a value in a cell in a Google Sheet, and you have a hunch that it got changed, but you don't know when or by whom. Well, there is a little known feature that lets you look into the history of any cell in Google Sheets. Open your Google Sheet, click into the cell, right-click or control-click on a Mac. From the menu that opens up, select Show Edit History. Now you can see when the latest edit was made to that particular cell and by whom. And you can even scroll back to previous edits. So next time your team faces this conundrum, uncover the truth with just a few clicks. Elementary, my dear Watson. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to get notifications when a new video goes up on the KloudGem channel, subscribe. And as always, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us through our website, www.cloudgem.com. Thanks for watching. Until next time.